Guptas force their maid to treat their dog like a human being or she will be fired. The Guptas treat their pets like human beings and treat their maids like dogs. The less fortunate suffer while putting their homes and own families on hold to care for the Guptas' families. The maids can get months without seeing their families even though they are forced to live like dogs. The dogs eat on couches while the maids sit on the floors. The maids even carry the pets on their backs.